open your browser, browse godaddy.com or godaddy web. Sign in for GoDaddy account. Sign in. Go my account, click it and click for domains. You get your domain name, everything should this place. I have this domain I have, so I check and DNS, right, arrow mark click, manage zone click, just click DNS management and now your view your domain name, just click it. You get a DNS record. Okay, you can add or delete, edit, everything should do in this place. You want your domain just MS record, CS, text, SRV, you want to, you do these things. Subscribe Salva Solutions and click bell icon.